Want to change navigation bar on your Android phone? In this video, I will guide you. You can easily change your navigation bar. Here the downside buttons. So let's start the video. First, you have to just open your mobile settings. So first, you have to just open the mobile settings. Click on the mobile settings, and after opening the mobile settings, now you can see here. Now you have to just find here the display options. Click on the display options. So now you can see here there you have to just scroll up, and now you have to just find here one setting. You can see here have to just find here navigation bar. Click on the here navigation bar. Now you can see the navigation bar. After click, now you can find here the top side. You can see navigation bar, buttons, swipe gestures. You can see here the two options have. You have to just select here. You can swipe, you can select, you can button. You have to just you can select the button which you want, you like it, you have to just select that. So this is very steps, very easy method. You can select these buttons and swap. Thanks for watching the video. Genuine Guide YouTube channel.